Welcome to 36 Day. Today is March 6th, 2025, and this is our 36 lineup that we have here at Night Shift Auto Lab. We got a couple friends from local areas that come by with their cars. So you guys are gonna meet some friends with their cars today, but I'm gonna give you guys a little rundown of what we got. Most of these are my cars, but we have some friends here. But today is all about 36 and E36s. So we got a good little lineup today, and we're gonna check these out. All right, so this is my cousin, Brendan Murphy. He brought his Avis Blue E36 sedan. It's a 328.
All right, so this is my 1998 BMW 328, and sitting on Style 5s with the BC Racing coilovers, 78,000 miles.
All right, so here we are with the TI. This is an E36 TI, except we're not really counting it for 36 Day because it's only half of an E36. So disclaimer, some TIs are cool. My buddy Mike has a wide body TI that looks pretty good. The KZ Klee TI looks great. And Chelsea Denofa's S54 TI looks pretty good too, but otherwise, not really a TI guy. All right, so this is my 99 M3 that I got about 4 years ago. It's a Cosmos Black on Magma M3 Vert. It has 160,000 miles. It's got a color matched Cosmos hardtop. Otherwise, completely original. All OEM fenders, bumpers, trim, wheels, like all that stuff. I did buy nice Glass Depot headlights, but that's the only thing that I changed. All right, this is Zach West here with a silver E36 convertible, and is pretty clean. I like it a lot. It's actually a 5-speed, so we've been debating on whether whose vert's better. Mine's an M3, but it's automatic. His is a 323. That's a 5-speed, so we'll guys let you decide. What's better in the comments, a 323 5-speed vert or an M3 auto vert? You guys fight about it. Now we get to talk about the wagons. So these are both of my E36 wagons. They both run and drive. They're both Arctic Silver. I think yours is Arctic Silver as well. But they're both Arctic Silver. They both have black interior. One of them is a 320i and the other one is a 328i. This wagon is actually for sale. It's a Poland import. It's got 175,000 miles. Silver on black, runs and drives. It's got an aluminum block, M52 out of a Z3. It's fairly clean. The rear fenders are rolled a little bit for wider wheels, but it stands out nicely. It's got 18-inch Mille Miglia wheels, and it's a blast to drive. It really is. All right, so this is my 1994 325i, which has been upgraded to M3 in almost every way except for the VIN. So I got M3 front and rear subframes. It's got an S52 engine in it. It's got the GetRag 420G 6-speed tranny out of a E46 M3. So it's full M3 drivetrain, M3's full subframes front and rear, M3 body kit all around, mirrors, bumpers, everything. Even interior, it's got the mulberry gray 98, I think, only. M3 interior color, which is kind of rare. I love it. It's got a lot of Euro options, but we got 3 black sedans right here. This is Zach's car. We talked to him a little bit ago about his silver E36 Vert. So this is his turbo E36 sedan. This one's way cooler than his Vert.
This is the drift car. Just a very simple setup. I didn't want to go too crazy. I just wanted more power. It does the thing and it makes cool noises.
I got a 97 E36 328. I'm Mikey, this is my brick. Very brickulous.
All right guys, thanks for watching today's video. Today has been an E36 day. Happy 36, and keep your E36s nice. Don't let them get too shitty. Try to save them as much as you can, and remember to have fun. They're the best car out there. Happy 36 day from Night Shift Auto Lab to you guys. Thank you.